A San Antonio woman who was struck and killed in her own front yard by a fiber optic cable. Today, the family of Glenda Roth filed a wrongful death lawsuit in state district court. And the suit claims that the cable was hanging well below the required height and that the truck driver who struck it could have avoided it. Dylan Collier sat down with Roth's loved ones.
She was like that brightest star in the sky.
She made life fun, and she had a way of making ordinary moments and ordinary days special.
The morning of May 2nd, Glenda Roth and her husband Bill were working on the front yard of their north side home.
I heard the truck before I saw it.
When this hauler truck ran into an installed fiber optic cable hanging in the roadway.
I'll never forget it the rest of my life. I saw it go by, and the cable was coming across the top of the dumpster in midair, just like a whip.
Roth turned and saw his wife of 16 years, Glenda, on her back, unconscious, with a large, deep gash above her left eye. Glenda was rushed to Brooke Army Medical Center, where she would remain in intensive care for nearly 2 weeks.
Walking in and seeing her laying there, she didn't look like my mom anymore. She was unrecognizable. The damage was so severe.
Glenda's family made the heart-wrenching decision to take her off life support. Glenda Roth died May 15th at the age of 64.
I don't want this to happen to somebody else. I want the people that did this to be held responsible, and that somebody else doesn't have to go through the rest of their life without the woman they love.
Enter the Crosley Law Firm and attorney Brennan Jenkins. A wrongful death lawsuit filed today accuses AT&T and Quest Utility Construction of hanging the line well below the national standard height, and the dump truck driver of operating the vehicle in a negligent manner.
Each of these companies has a part in either creating or ignoring the dangerous conditions that ultimately resulted in Glenda's passing.
Months after Glenda's death,
she was the love of my life. I prayed for her. I prayed that I would somehow meet her before I died, and sure enough, that's it would happen.
For KSAT Investigates, I'm Dylan Collier.
That lawsuit seeks more than $1 million in damages. And KSAT has reached out to all 3 companies that are named in that suit, but only AT&T officials responded, saying that they received our inquiry and are looking into it.